Trust me, guys, a lot of MBAs think that way. That first year, I will be doing training and working for the CEO. Second year, I will be sitting next to the CEO. And third year, I will become a CEO. So, this is the kind of a growth we expect. But unfortunately, the graph is not that curvy. Hi guys, lots to ask me what will be my salary after 3 years of MBA. So let's check it out. After 3 years of my MBA, how much salary I can expect? Yeah. So I'm this new background scheme. I'm using this new logo, new software which I just purchased on iPad to use to make my videos, and I can reduce the size of everything. That's the best part of this video, which I like. App. All right, so 3 years, after 3 years, how much will be salary? So I got a call from one of my students, Sid, who have done his MBA last year. He passed out and he just talked to me, called me up, and he just moving up to the new company. So I took his permission to make this video. So I'll not talk about which college he's from and which category he belongs to, how much he used to be, this and that. So let's come out of that. So we're talking about the Sid ka example. So how much he is earning today, that is more important. So Sid got a package of 10.5 lakh from the college, and trust me, that's a pretty good package from his college. So zero salary at the starting of the career, he was at 10.5. Okay, so that's the graph for 10.5 in the Tata company. So Tata brand, obviously a bigger brand. So he got a 10.5 lakh package, and within the first 1 year he shifted to another company, Aditya Birla, with a 12 lakh package. So within 4 months he switched. Now he switched this and that, all these things, and now again he got a switch, and he's expecting a 16, but companies is still negotiated to 15 lakh package at 1.5 years of his career during the recession time. Out of this, 6 months is spent on recession. So this is the kind of a graph we are looking at. Now he's shifting companies, he's not loyal, he's not ethical. Boss, you are MBA. You have to switch every 1 to 2 years if you want a bigger package. Because if he was working in Tata, he would be at 10, would have become 10 ka 12. Max to max, he would have been earning 12 today. Or after 2 years of MBA, after second appraisal. But here, 10, 12, 15. So 10.5 become 15. You do the maths. So he is making around 45%, 40%. Now because of recession, obviously the average package is down. Otherwise, you can see a 50% jump in the package if you switch. Okay. So whatever package you start with, trust me, it doesn't matter how much growth you are doing. And trust me, I believe he's above average student, above average performer. So 10 lakh package can become 15 lakh package in 2 years ka time. Or even if you make it 3 year ka time, so 50% growth in 3 years is what you can expect for an average student. Of course, if you are above average, you can make it double also. For example, Sachin not there. So 10 would have been 13, 13 would have been 18. His expectation was 18. But company offered him 15, which he is accepting. So 15 kind of a jump you are getting in 3 years ka time, 2 to 3 years ka time. Okay. Because a lot of people have expectation that my salary will become 10 times, 15 times. Nahi bhaiya, itna nahi hone wala. It will improve gradually. Alright. So you can expect a 50% jump on your base salary. Of course, if the base is 20, you will be earning 30 ka package. So it all depends upon how much is your base salary. So you have to go to a good college or get a better package so that if the base is higher, of course, it will be higher. Yeah. I've got these students who have said, sir, for example, JB Sidnam, a typical example, I can't wait for 1 more year. Or New IIM versus me and IIM, that's a good example. New IIM's average salary is 12. Main IIM's average salary is, let's say, 20. Sir, मेरे को 3 साल दो. Within 3 years, 12, 15, 18, I'll reach 20 ka package. Definitely you can do that. Easily you can do that. Look at Sid yaar. He can easily touch 20 in the by the 3rd year. I'll be earning same package. देखा? Equal हो गया. But भाई वो 20 पे क्यों उठ करेगा, वो भी तो ऊपर जाएगा. Yeah, if you are becoming 12 to 20, you are expecting almost double your package. So this guy will also be touching 35. This 8 lakh ka package, average gap, 8 lakh ka package ka gap is going to exist all your life. If I compare apple with apple, you know my drawing is very good, right? Yeah, if you're comparing the guy who is still at 20 lakh, then you are comparing with a donkey. Now, if you compare donkey, a good guy versus donkey, that's a bad thing, na? I've got many people like that. Trust me, sir. मेरा दोस्त न्यू आईम में गया, उसको 15 लाख का पैकेज मिला. My another friend went to a छोटा मोटा कॉलेज, he got a 15 लाख का पैकेज. वो बराबर ही हो गया ना भाई. You are comparing the best of this guy with average of this guy, which is bad. Compare apple with apple. If you are comparing topper of this college, compare the topper. Topper of here will be earning 28-30 लाख का पैकेज. वो डबल ही होने वाला गैप उसका. So whichever college you're going, try to be in the top people, because whatever is your base salary, growth, appraisal, promotion, shifting, everything happens on that base salary. So try to increase that base salary. All right, all the best.